In today's video, let's quickly dive into the way that you can fix the TikTok followers not updating. If you think that your followers are not updating and not showing up in the followers list inside of your TikTok, let me show you how you can easily fix it. The first thing that you can do is try to clear the app cache from the settings and privacy. So just tap on the three lines on the top right and then head over to the settings and privacy. From here you can scroll down under cache and mobile. You can see the option called free up space. You can just tap on this option and then tap on the clear option right here. Once you've done this step, try to see if the issue is now fixed. If it is still not fixed, what you can also try out is try to log out of this account and try logging in back. What this does is refreshes the server and these kind of minor glitches will be immediately fixed. You can also look out for new updates available to get the latest version. So head over to the Play Store and search for TikTok, and if you do see new updates available, make sure you update the application. By following these couple of steps, you should be able to fix the TikTok followers not updating issue.